Umasankar Riang, the Tripura Motha candidate for the 3 Dasda Kanchanpur constituency, cast his vote earlier today, April 12, at Block Tila High School. In a recent interview, candidate Umasankar Riang confirmed that polling at his station proceeded peacefully and without incident. He further expressed confidence in the Tripura Motha victory within the Dasda Kanchanpur constituency.
Dasda Kanchanpur ni 3 number seat ni boro jagana tong phaisu phaya akhem boy na chong bai klongai tong di akhem boy boro 3 number seat ni candidate te Pramotha ni chini brom nang Umasankar Riang bai tini chong thaya thene kok ma salane bong side bg bro khemole breke sa camera men ta khasi di acha sar boro no tiyo ne berai mo buktu jaga jaro ha abon tisa sak
Ang praiti jaga na tha tao ke wo Kanchanpur side ni 3 number ni 11 number polling station no pero kono casting ka hamno ha tere sa ke vote pono reply from ne ha ke ta on jora joto jaga na kaham response ke tere bulai to life ho abadi ko no krai peacefully na voting ong to janagon khushi ke voting ke na bro janagon nayo je brief polling for peaceful nai jate violence ong yamadin ke abadin no jung ang Tripura Motha ni candidate ong ye asa kheu 100% Kanchanpur seat Tripura Motha ni ke biskang ochini bo election chung Tripura Motha no edisi sarkar khanai khaksa
khna sini 3 number Dasda Kanchanpur 3 number seat ni candidate Tripura Motha ni tini bum brom na sini Umasankar Riang tung sakna re hasrai khana o 3 number Dasda Kanchanpur bole 3 number seat le Tripura Motha na apply ke online ye bini kena sakna ai na chobai to ni kaham me na
Reporter Sanjay Riang from Kanchanpur, Chini Khora.